Congratulations! Nakabook ka ng flight pa Japan ng January to March. Kaso, if wala ka pang visa ngayon at kailangan mong mag-apply muna, I might have a little bit of bad news kasi sobrang hirap kumuha ng appointment sa VFS. Okay, so I'm gonna share my story maybe as a reminder and warning for everyone kasi I did not expect na mahirap palang kumuha ng appointment. So, I have been to Japan with my mother last 2023. We were both first-timers back then and nag-grant kami ng single entry. And then, bumalik ako with my friends and my cousins. The second time, nag-apply na ako for a multiple entry and I was granted. So, ganun din yung kapatid ko nung first time niya, single entry lang tapos multiple entry na yung na-approve sa kanya the second time. So, this time, it's just gonna be the second time ng mother ko to apply for a Japanese visa. Sa lahat ng aming mga experience, both me and my brother, wala kaming naging problem. So, iniisip ko na, we got this one kasi we already know the process. We already know the requirements, ganyan. Ngayon, yung travel date namin is February 8, 2026. Tapos, pumunta ako sa travel center, accredited travel tour, na pinagsasamitan namin before pa. Last week of November. Tapos, ang sabi nila, ang tinatanggap na lang daw nilang applications are yung mga may travel dates ng last week of February onwards. Medyo bumagsak din yung hopes ko during that time. Ganun ba talaga kahirap kumuha ng slot? I didn't actually know the answer to that. It was the first time kasi previously sa mga experience namin, parang sinasabihan pa nga kami na, ma'am, next month na lang kayo mag-submit kasi baka mamaya 60 days lang yung i-approve sa inyo. Hindi pa mako-cover yung travel date or hindi aabot dun sa travel date kasi masyadong maaga pa, ganyan. In my mind, meron pa kaming 60 days or more. 2 months and 2 weeks pa yung allowance namin. Right now, which is first week na ng December, March onwards na yata yung tinatanggap nila. Ganito. I tried different travel agencies. So, nag-search ako sa Facebook, merong Rally, merong Universal Holidays. I actually limited my options to accredited travel agencies kasi syempre, ibibigay mo yung passport mo sa kanila di ba? Parang, ewan ko kung praning lang ako, but that's my point of view. So, lahat ng mga travel agencies na kinontak ko, unfortunately, hindi pasok yung aming travel date, which is Feb 8. Nag-join ako ng mga Facebook groups. So, sabi nila, mag-try sa VFS to book an appointment. I tried that every hour as much as possible. And I'm not exaggerating. It's literally every hour. May alarm ako. Mag-check ako every hour. To the point na nare-restrict na yung account. To the point na gumawa na ulit ako ng account. Nag-check ako even madaling araw. Kung gigising ako ng 4, gigising ako ng 5, ganyan. Just to check kasi may mga nagsasabi na mag-book kayo ng madaling araw, 4 a.m. Ako, nakakuha ko mga 12 noon. So, iba-iba din kasi yung mga experience, no? And I don't know kung anong nagiging factor doon. But, ganun kahirap. So, I did that for around 3 days. Pero walang slot. Kahit na nakalagay dun sa first page kung saan sasabihin na the earliest available slot is December, ganito, ganyan. Pero, once na mag-select ka na ng wala na. There's no option. I haven't seen any available option. Kahit na January, February, March, wala. As in, wala. Hindi ko alam paano sila nag-open ng slot. Actually, ng regular lane. At that point, I was already desperate kasi walang travel agency, wala akong makitang booking sa VFS. So, what will I do? And so, meron kasi dun sa na mag-chat ka. Parang if there's any problem, live chat now, ganyan. So, I tried to do that. Nag-chat ako. Wala na akong options eh. Nagbaka sakali ako. Sinasabi din na wala ng regular slot. Sabi ko, is there any other, kasi wala namang option. Wala ka namang makiklik kung gusto mo nang mag-premium something. Chinat ko, paano ako mag-a-avail ng premium lounge? And then, they actually sent, what's your email? Ilan applicants? Ganyan. So, sinabi ko. Tapos, may sinabi sila na may December slot sila. December 5 yata to 9 to 10 or something sa Parañaque. So, nung sinabi nila yon, then syempre grab na ako, 'di ba? Hindi ko na inisip yung kung magkano or something. Para lang sana may appointment na yung nanay ko kasi nga para matuloy kami sa February kasi gusto namin ng winter season. March medyo tagilid na, so luckily, nagbayad lang ako online dun sa email na sinend nila sa akin. And yun, nakapag-book ako ng appointment. It's a very long story, but it's my experience. So for those of you na nakapag-book ng sale, I know it's very, very exciting kasi ako din. Pero please make sure na makapag-book na din kayo ng appointment ASAP. Huwag niyong ipagpabukas, hindi siya kagaya ng dati. Dati, pinupush back pa kami ng mga travel agencies, but now, I don't know if may makukuha pa kayong appointment. So, sana we'll all be successful in securing a visa and see you sa Japan.